Hey, what's up YouTube? Happy holidays to everyone out there, and speaking of holidays, Christmas might be coming early as we've had a major breakthrough in the iOS 12 jailbreak scene. So sit back and relax and welcome to today's jailbreak update video. Alright, well since I'm on vacation, let's get directly into the news. Going into Twitter, this was tweeted out directly by Software. He says it's been way too long, it's been long enough waiting for jailbreaks, so we're dropping an XNU 0 day here. So what exactly is this? This is a kernel vulnerability, and it's a 0 day one at that, meaning Apple has yet to patch this even in the latest versions of iOS 12, even including iOS 12.1.2 and 12.1.1, and yes, there's two builds of iOS 12.1.2 now. That's another fact for another video. Anyway, here we have a new 0 day vulnerability that potentially could be exploited to actually achieve TPF0 and get us well on our way towards an iOS 12 jailbreak. And again, like I've stated, this is pretty much applicable to all current iOS 12 versions. Now, when I say that, definitely do not upgrade to iOS 12.1.2 or 12.1.1. Just stay where you're at for now until we have more information. Because again, this is just a vulnerability. This is not a full-fledged exploit. Granted, if we take a look down in the comments section, it's a heap overflow, the same type as Electra's heap overflow in the multipath exploit by Ian Beer. It's only a different flow and a different file, but in the end, it sounds like it's very similar to that of the MPTCP vulnerability. So if another developer came around and took this vulnerability and actually exploited it, we might have an iOS 12 exploit that could lead to a jailbreak very soon. And this is incredible because this is the very first vulnerability I've seen for iOS 12.1.1 and iOS 12.1.2, because like I've said, this has yet to be patched by Apple. That is exactly what 0 day means right there. Anyway, scrolling down, just taking a little bit more at the comments, somebody actually asked, would it be possible to obtain TPF0 using this exploit? And the developer right here that tweeted this out saying that's uncertain at this time. Now, I will give you guys a full-fledged warning that the group that tweeted this out, the Software, they've been hit and miss in the past as far as reliability goes. They get a little bit too excited at times. They just tweet stuff out and hope it leads to something. But if this is true, if this is an XNU 0 day right here that can lead to an exploit that gets us TPF0 that leads to read and write access on the kernel, that's a great step in exploiting iOS 12 and getting us on our way to an iOS 12 jailbreak. That's why I really wanted to make today's video, letting you guys know exactly what was tweeted out, why there was such a huge fuss about this vulnerability in particular. If this information holds true, this is a great step towards an iOS 12 jailbreak and an iOS 12 jailbreak for all current firmwares. So it would be a major thing if this information is actually correct and if this does actually lead to something. Anyway guys, I will be sure to keep you guys updated. Definitely subscribe to the channel to stay on top of the latest jailbreaking news. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you guys so much again for watching. I hope your holiday season is wonderful, and I will catch you right back here after Christmas, probably Wednesday or Thursday next week. Anyway guys, take care, happy holidays, and I'll catch you real soon. Later.